Hello students, hope all of you are well and fine. I hope all of you are studying well at your home. Students, please study properly at your home, okay? So in our previous videos, we have discussed about land resources, uses of land and the changes of land use. Now in this video, we will discuss about conservation of land resources. So, how can we conserve land? We know that population is growing day by day very fast. So, due to overgrowing population and their ever-growing demands has led to a large-scale destruction of forest cover and arable land and has created a fear of losing these natural resources. And the common methods used to conserve land resources are afforestation, land reclamation, regulated use of chemical pesticides and fertilizers, and check on overgrazing. So now land can be conserved by using the following measures. Afforestation, that is planting of trees. It means the process of planting trees in empty lands help promote the fast reproduction of specific types of trees for the wood industry. And we know deforestation can lead to the depletion of trees in water catchment and riverside zones. So, solution is afforestation. Afforestation ensures trees and plants that hold the soil in these sensitive areas remain protected. And next one is control on overgrazing. The region where there is overgrazing by animals, that should be controlled, because overgrazing reduces the usefulness, productivity and biodiversity of the land and is one cause of desertification and erosion. Therefore, we need to control on overgrazing by creating more pasture lands. And pasture means land covered with grass and low plants suitable for grazing animals. And also to prevent overgrazing, taking plant growth rate, natural processes of grazing lands and animals grazing behavior into consideration are essential. And used properly, managed grazing has the potential to greatly improve grazing land condition through improved soil health and forest production. And next one is stabilization of sand dunes by growing thorny bushes is the method to check land degradation. Now, controlling mining activities by using technology. We need to control mining activities because mining activities leads to land degradation. For example, various activities at coal mines release dust and gas into air. Thus, mining is one of the major causes of deforestation and pollution. Loss of biodiversity. The forests that are cleared for mining purposes are home to a large number of organisms. And now, regulating the use of chemical pesticide and fertilizers. We need to limit use of pesticides and fertilizers which are chemically made, not organic ones. So, the chemically made fertilizers and pesticides should be regulated.